Welcome back, guys. Let's quickly solve this Olympiad equation on the board, okay? It says x minus 6 all raised to the power of 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. And I'm going to solve for the value of values for x, okay? So what shall I do this sequentially? Now, recall that from here, if you expand this, the highest power of x will be 4, okay? And there's a rule of polynomial that says number of answers for x will be equal to the highest power of x. So number of answers for x will be equal to the highest power of x, which is 4. Okay, so knowing that now, we are right to find 4 answers. But how do we do this? Firstly, we can say that x minus 6 all raised to the power of 4 minus 2 raised to the power of 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here we can get this. Now, secondly, we can now say that this can be re-expressed. If we had a raised to the power n all raised to the power of n, it's equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. Okay, so this is the law of indices. Now, applying this law here, we can say that this becomes x minus 6 all raised to the power of 2 squared, okay, minus 2 raised to the power 2 squared is equal to 0. Okay, and this is difference of 2 squares. So we have this in the bracket squared and this in the bracket squared. So from here we are going to have x minus 6 all squared minus 2 squared, okay, so x minus 6 all squared minus 2 squared, okay, multiplied by x minus 6 all squared plus 2 squared, and this is equal to 0, and this follows from the rule of difference of 2 squares. All right, now from here we can now say that we can open up these brackets and solve to the simplest form, or we can say that this is another square and this another square, and use the law known as sum of 2 squares and difference of 2 squares respectively to simplify this. But recall, I want you to recall something now. Recall that this and this are multiplying each other, okay? So this and this are multiplying each other to give you 0. And when the product of two things are equal to 0, either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that this is equal to 0, the left hand side, or this is equal to 0, the right hand side. Okay, so let's say for this side, we say that x minus 6 all squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0. Okay, so it's either that this follows. Now, for this to follow, we have difference of 2 squares. So we can now say that x minus 6 minus 2 multiplied by x minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now from here we can now say, let's open up this. So we have x minus 6 minus 2 is what? Minus 8. Okay, multiplied by the same x minus 6 plus 2 is what? Minus 4 is equal to 0. So from here our x will be equal to what? 8 or 4. Okay, now moving on to the other side, okay, we have this, right? So we can say that x minus 6, sorry for this, x minus 6, okay, all squared minus 2 squared, sorry, plus 2 squared now is equal to 0. Okay, we have all this, all right? Now we can say from here that this is sum of 2 squares. And when we have a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus bi multiplied by a minus bi. So using this law here, we have this minus this I, okay? So we have x minus 6, okay, plus 2i, all right, into x minus 6 minus 2i. and this is equal to 0. Okay, so we have a plus bi, or this minus bi, is equal to 0. Now the next thing to say is that when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that we have that x minus 6 plus 2i is equal to 0. From here we have x is equal to 6 minus 2i. Okay? Or, for this other side, we can now say that this is x minus 6 minus 2i is equal to 0. From here we have that x is equal to 6 plus 2i. Okay? So, our answers for x here are x is equal to 6 plus or minus 2i, or x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 4. So these are the 3 answers for x in this given question. Thanks for watching. If it made sense, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.